welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to transpose your data by using Scala in your Databricks environment. So in this demo we are using Databricks community. If you want to leverage or you want to learn uh, PySpark, Scala, or you want to explore more inside Databricks, then you can leverage this facility. That is Databricks community. It is totally free. So let's go back to our tutorial. So we have the data like this, that is store sales, and here you can see order id, order date, ship mode, customers, customer name, region, product, product name, and there are some additional info like sales, quantity, discount, and profit. And you want to transfer your data to see the total sales, region wide sales for in term of the ship mode. So our row, we are going to convert our region column rows to column, and then we are going to show the total sales inside that specific regions. So let's move to our Databricks environment. So first of all, we have to upload this file into catalog section. Okay, and in dbfs, here you can upload your file like this. Okay, give me a minute. It is in document, that is the name of the file is store sales. Okay, now done. Now we have this data, that is store sales. Right click on it and you can copy the path, and here you can see Spark API format and file API format. So we are going to use Spark API format. Let's go back to our development environment. So first of all we have to create a path, well, file path. Okay, then paste here. Now we need to import some Spark libraries which will help us to accomplish this job. Okay, so import Spark Apache .spark .sql. Then we need a Spark session and rows. Okay, now we are going to import another library. Import org.apache .spark .sql .functions. Okay, okay, so we are calling all the functions from the Spark. Then we are going to import the types also. If you want to do anything with the columns, then we need data types column, then we need types. Okay, so here you can see different types of the variable. Now we are going to create a Spark session. So here we are going to create a variable Spark session dot builder, then name of the API, that is transpose rows dot get or create. Okay, if is there any existing session, then it is going to get it, otherwise it is going to create the new one. Now we have the file path. Now what I need to do, I need to create a variable Dataframe, read data into Dataframe from file. Okay, so first of all we are going to create a df equal to spark dot read, then options. So we have options like header, that is related to your raw data file, then that is true, and then the CSV, and we are going to pass this file path. Okay, now display the schema. So data frame schema, so df dot print schema. This is the best feature. Now you can run yourself. Now you can see the schema, that is order ID, all the data types in this data frame. You can see here these are the string type, and then we want to display this data, df dot so. So it is going to display all the data. So here we are going to transpose our data. So our transpose column name is region, so that means our pivot column is region, and group by column is zip mode, and the sales amount is going to be using aggregate function. Okay, transpose data into new data frame. Okay, so well, transpose df equal to df dot group by, the name of the column is zip mode, dot pivot. Now our pivot column is region, and then we are going to apply aggregate column is, so we are going to use sum of the sales, so that is sales. Okay, now we are going to display the codes like this. So well, transpose df dot so let's run this now. Okay, so group by, let me check here. Okay, give me a minute. So I'm going to use into another row, so here like this. So actually right now it is showing the two data frame here and there, so I just want to display in a separate code text. So here you can see like this. So these are the ship mode and these are the total sales in the specific regions. Okay, if you want to display the schema of this data frame, transpose df dot print schema like this. Okay, so you can see it is very easy to transpose your data in Scala uh, by using Databricks notebook. Okay, so please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.